Hello, I am Sai Prasad Gundeti, Senior Embryologist at Malpani Infertility Clinic. In this video, I will be talking about Malpani Baby Kit or the DIY Insemination Kit. You can even call it as Self-Insemination Kit. So what exactly is self-insemination or DIY insemination? Self-insemination is a method in which a woman deposits her husband's semen sample directly into her vagina without any medical intervention. The self-insemination kit can be used by anyone, and it is very useful for couples with problem of sexual dysfunction, wherein husband has problem of impotency, or if he has a problem of premature ejaculation, or if wife has vaginismus which leads to painful sex. So the self-insemination kit is very useful for such couples and it is very easy to use. In this video, I will be doing the unboxing of Malpani Baby Kit, that is the DIY insemination kit, and I will be explaining you step by step as to exactly how you should use this self-insemination kit effectively. Now, when you should use the self-insemination kit? The self-insemination kit should be used only during your fertile time so that you can increase your chances of conception. You can use a free fertility calculator. We'll give you the description in the link. You can use that free calculator and you can find out your fertile time. Or you can also use this ovulation kit, which helps you determine the start of your fertile days. I'm going to show you what exactly the Malpani Baby Kit or the DIY insemination kit contains. The self-insemination or the DIY insemination kit is a plastic box. It contains 5 items in it. The first item is the semen container. So we provide 3 semen containers in the box. These are sterile containers. As you can see, there is a seal on the top. So the container is sterile from inside. So we provide 3 semen sample containers in the box. The second item is the lubricant. It's a semen friendly lubricant. The self-insemination kit contains 3 tubes of lubricant. The third item is Pascha pipette, or you can also call it as dropper. These are also sterile. They come in a sterile packing. The kit contains 3 Pascha pipettes in it. The fourth item is our plastic gloves. The box contains 3 gloves in it. The first step in self-insemination is semen collection. The husband needs to collect his semen sample into this sterile container. As you can see, there is a seal on the top, so you need to remove the seal first. So without touching the inner part of the container, the husband will ejaculate into this container. In case if the husband has difficulty in collecting the semen sample, he can use this lubricant. By applying this lubricant, it will become easier for the husband to collect the semen sample. Now once the sample is collected, the wife needs to deposit the semen sample into her vagina. Now the important thing is the semen sample should be deposited right near the cervix, that is the opening of the uterus. So this is the cervix, this is the opening of the uterus. So you need to deposit the semen sample near the cervix. So by doing that, we are in a way helping the sperms to enter into the uterus easily. Now how do you deposit semen sample into the vagina, that is near the cervix? That purpose we have provided a Pascha pipette. It's a sterile Pascha pipette. It comes in a sterile packing. You need to open the packing like this, and then you can take out the pipette from inside without touching the tip of the Pascha pipette so that it remains sterile. The Pascha pipette has a bulb on the top. So when you press the bulb, so it creates a negative pressure, and then when you slowly release the bulb, it sucks the sample inside. So we can use this Pascha pipette to load the semen sample into the pipette and then deposit the sample in the vagina. So this is the collected semen sample. So the correct way of loading the semen sample is to press the bulb like this, create the negative pressure, and then insert the tip of the pipette into the sample like this, and then slowly release the bulb so that the sample is aspirated inside. So this is the correct way of loading the semen sample into the Pasha pipette. Now some people what they do, they just put the pipette inside and then press the bulb. This creates a lot of bubbles inside, which makes it very messy. The ideal way is to press the bulb outside the container, create negative pressure, then put the tip of the pipette inside and aspirate it. Now once the sample is loaded into the pipette, you can introduce the pipette into your vagina like this and then deposit the sample near the cervix. So this is as simple as that. It is very easy to use. You can buy the Malpani baby kit or the DIY insemination kit from us. You can pay for the kit by doing NEFT and we will courier this insemination kit to you. If you have any queries, you can contact us at info@drmalpani.com, or you can visit our website at www.drmalpani.com, or you can even contact us on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is given in the description.